Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to uninstall FreeCAD from your computer. Whether you're troubleshooting issues, switching to a different CAD program, or simply no longer need the software, removing FreeCAD is a straightforward process. So let's get started. First, before uninstalling FreeCAD, make sure you've backed up any important projects, custom settings, macros, or exported files that you may need in the future. Uninstalling the software doesn't always remove project files, but it's always a good idea to create backups just in case. If you want to free up additional storage space, you can also review any remaining FreeCAD-related folders, backup files, or downloaded installers, and remove them if they're no longer needed. For users on macOS or Linux, the process may vary depending on how FreeCAD was originally installed. In those cases, use the appropriate application removal method or package manager for your operating system, and that's how to uninstall FreeCAD. By following these steps, you can safely remove the software while making sure your important design files remain protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.